to the algorithm. And that's what I want to talk about in this video. Now, how they did this was through two sources of information. A fairly hefty blog they published on their YouTube creator blog website, and also through a video on the Creator Insider YouTube channel. I'll link to both of those in the description just below the like button. I would definitely say that the blog post lean more towards the viewer's perspective, while the video is definitely for the creator's benefit. And having gone through both the blog post and the video in depth, I would say that these are the three principal learnings I've taken from them. Oh, and I highly recommend you stick around until the end, because that final point is by far the most important one, even if you wish it wasn't. And we'll start off with something very simple. The key behind the success of many platforms. YouTube has been learning from its mistakes for the last 15 years, and they kind of laid this out in a timeline on the blog post. As an example of one of the radical ways that YouTube has changed over time, it used to be that YouTube would just recommend